Hello, kindergarten friends. It's Miss Lily, and we're here to do our letters and sounds. We're going to go through and practice these. I would like you to make sure you try and practice at least once today. Here we go. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is O, sound is ah. Letter is L, sound is L. Letter is I, sound is I. Remember, like itch. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is A, sound is ah. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is M, sound is mm. Remember the yummy letter. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. And remember, letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is L, sound is L. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is M, sound is M. That yummy letter again. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is E, sound is E. Think echo. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is U, sound is Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is E, sound is E. Letter is R, sound is R. Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is O, sound is ah. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is U, sound is Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is R, sound is R. Letter is V, sound is V. All right, kindergarten friends, I hope that you're practicing at home, and I will see you next time. Bye.